Hello everyone, this is Madhvi here and welcome to Kongan Flavors. Today I'm going to show you a dessert which is very famous in this part of the world. It is called cheesecake, and I'm also going to show you a sweet berry sauce which goes very well with this cheesecake. So let's get started. So I have 2 cups of almond flour here, and I'm adding a little salt and 4 tablespoons of sugar and a half a stick of butter, and try to mix it well till you're able to pat it on the glass vessel or anything, your baking sheet. So you can also use graham crackers instead of almond flour, but I had only almond flour here and it came out well. So I'm trying to pat here to make a even base for the glass container which I'm going to bake in. I have around 32 ounces of cream cheese, 4 eggs and 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, then 2 spoons of flour, vanilla essence and salt, and a lemon zest, one lime lemon zest, you could say. So I'm going to add the eggs to the cream cheese here. I'm putting it in a food processor because so that way I'm able to churn it or mix it well. I'm adding the sugar and the lemon zest I had kept aside, a teaspoon of salt, tablespoon of vanilla essence, a little more. Yeah, 2 spoons of flour, that's all-purpose flour, and the 1/3 cup of milk. I'm going to mix it well till everything combines. Yeah, the batter is ready. Just pour it on the baking sheet you had prepared and just even it out. This is ready to be baked. So I'm going to bake it for like 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So while the cake is getting baked for the first 20 minutes, I'm going to show you a sauce which goes very well with this cheesecake. I've added a cup of blueberries and blackberries mix and 1/3 cup of sugar and a squeeze of half a lime. I'm going to cook this for like 10 to 15 minutes and the sauce is ready. So after the 20 minutes, I'm going to lower the temperature to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and cook it for an hour. So hour is done and our cheesecake is ready. I'm going to loosen the edges and refrigerate it for at least 8 hours in the fridge, and I will show you how it looks after 8 hours. And so yeah, 8 hours are been done, and here is how the cheesecake is cutting. It's looking pretty and I'm sure it's going to taste wonderful. The almond gives a little crumbly texture to the base, but the taste was amazing. So give it a try and do let me know how it comes out. Also, we enjoyed it with a little bit of the sauce on top, and I'm going to tell you, it really tastes very good with the sauce. You should give this a try and do let me know in the comments how do you like it.